गुड मॉर्निंग गाइज, व्हाट्स अप, वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल. सो थोड़ा लेट हो गया है बट हियर आई एम विथ अनदर व्लॉग and this vlog is kind of different. I mean, obviously I'm gonna take you through my day, but I am also going to tell you the things that I learned in 2025 because there are a lot. So yeah, let's go, let's see what I have learned, and I hope you guys also learned something. And let's end this year with learning from our mistakes and getting better and being the better version of ourselves and meeting new versions of ourselves. So yeah, let's go. So the first thing that I learned was there will be times when things won't work out the way you thought they would. They'll end up differently than whatever you imagined. कुछ करने के लिए आपने बहुत कोशिश की होगी, आपने मेहनत की होगी, आपने अपना टाइम एफर्ट सब इन्वेस्ट किया होगा, बट मे बी वो चीज़ वर्कआउट ना हो, एंड दैट्स ओके. इट वॉज़ वेरी हार्ड टू डाइजेस्ट एट दैट टाइम, बट टाइम के साथ आई थॉट, आई मीन, जो हुआ अच्छे के लिए ही हुआ है. सो yeah, but you should know that you have to find your place wherever you are, and that's the thing that I learned. The first thing. Every beautiful chapter of your life has to end for a new one to begin. There will be times in your life when you are living your best and most beautiful chapter of your life, but it's going to end at some time. बिकॉज अच्छी चीज़ें अगर ज़्यादा लास्ट करें ना तो उसमें वो बात रहती नहीं है. इट विल बी वेरी हार्ड फॉर यू टू स्टार्ट अ न्यू चैप्टर, टू टर्न द पेज एंड स्टार्ट द न्यू चैप्टर. इट विल बी वेरी अनकम्फर्टेबल, बट ट्रस्ट मी, विथ टाइम इट गेट्स बेटर. मतलब जैसे वैसे होता है ना कि बुक में जो भी चैप्टर हम रीड कर रहे हैं उसमें अगर हमारी जो फेवरेट लाइन्स होती है उसे हम अंडरलाइन कर देते हैं, उसे हाईलाइट कर देते हैं, तो वो चैप्टर में भी ऐसी सारी जो ब्यूटीफुल मेमोरीज है उसे हम कैप्चर करते हैं या उससे रिलेटेड कोई चीज़ हम एज ए सूवेनियर रखते हैं. तो वो जब सूवेनियर का बक्सा खोलोगे या फिर फ़ोटो एल्बम खोलोगे तो देखोगे क्या. मतलब उसकी जो वैल्यू है वो तभी रहेगी ना जब वो ख़त्म होगा. मतलब every beautiful chapter of your life has to be for a period of time. So guys, I'm just folding my laundry and I was listening to this song. Guys, I was listening to this song which is Coming Back to Life by Pink Floyd, and to be honest, I have literally lived this song this year. The third learning of this year is that some things will just hit you so hard that you literally go numb for days. But it's really important to come back to life, and that's what this song is called, Coming Back to Life. And it's, I mean, I have had a period of numbness this year. I literally didn't know what actually numbness is until I felt it. Numbness is just a state where you don't feel any emotions, like not happiness, not sadness, not even sadness. Yeah, you don't feel anything. मतलब जो चीज़ें तुम्हें पहले एक्साइट करती थी वो करनी बंद हो जाती है और कुछ भी फील नहीं होता तुम्हें. I mean, to be honest, I just went to my hometown and I isolated myself. Like, I'm not gonna say totally isolated myself, but I kind of stopped interacting on social media. I mean, I, I mean, I was not using my account so much. I mean, I didn't want to interact with people, reply to the messages, or just sending reels to my friends or anything. I don't know why, but I just wasn't feeling. So, yeah, that was a period, and I guess, I mean, you can try isolating yourself if you want to work on numbness, but I think if you isolate yourself, you should have something that is मोटिवेटिंग यू टू फील थिंग्स. और आई मीन बस तुम अगर आइसोलेट होके बस नेगेटिव चीज़ें ही सोचते रहोगे और जो भी चीज़ें हुई है तुम्हारे साथ उस पर ही फोकस करोगे तो दैट्स नॉट गोना वर्क. यू जस्ट हैव टू let go, move on, heal, and prioritize yourself because that's very important. मतलब मैं मतलब थोड़े टाइम के लिए ऐसे गायब ही हो गई थी. मतलब मेरे को ऐसा हो गया था कि मैं खुद से ही थोड़ा दूर हो चुकी हूँ. बट आई केम बैक एंड मैंने जो चीज़ें एक्चुअली मेरे आसपास थी, मेरे पेरेंट्स, माई फैमिली, मेरा घर, जो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें थी, आई यूज़ टू जस्ट I was forcing myself to feel something. And one day I remember I was just about to sleep. मेरे को बस जितनी भी चीज़ें थी, जो कुछ वर्कआउट नहीं हुआ था उस टाइम पे मेरे साथ, या जो भी हुआ था, वो सारी चीज़ें मैंने बस मेरा फ़ोन लिया, वीडियो ऑन किया और मैंने बस शुरू कर दिया बोलना. Everything I just listed out. Also I wrote in my journal too, okay, what are the things that are bothering me right now. What are the things that made me go numb, and I just wrote that on a paper. और उसके बाद मैंने दूसरे पेपर पे लिख दिया कि हाउ आई कैन ओवरकम दैट. तो वो किया मैंने, और मैंने बस वीडियो चालू करके बस बोलना शुरू कर दिया कि these are the things that are bothering me. And to be very honest, the next morning I woke up, I was feeling very light, and I was feeling कि जो चीज़ें भरी पड़ी थी वो बाहर निकल गई. अब I can do something. And yeah, I was like in my hometown for what 15 to 20 days, और मैंने कॉलेज भी मिस किया था तब. But I came back and I started just going to college and routine set किया. So yeah, if you ever felt numb in your life, you should isolate yourself, but you should not isolate yourself if you are just thinking negatively. So yeah, that is it. और फिर तो मतलब सब change हो गया. फिर I moved on from the things, I let go of a lot of things, and I met a new version of myself which I am loving. So yeah, that was one of the learnings, and this was quite a big thing that hit me this year. बहुत हो गई बातें, अब थोड़ा सा काम भी करना पड़ेगा. So काम कर लेते हैं थोड़ा. So guys, what's up with you all? I mean, what have you learned in 2025? If you have learned some things, please comment down below so I can read. मुझे मज़ा आता है. I don't know if you guys will like this video where I'm just sitting and talking about life, but I mean, there's got to be someone out there who love this kind of videos, because I do. I am someone. There'll be a lot of times when you'll feel like that you don't belong to somewhere. I mean, sometimes you'll have to go back to the place you thought you'd never go back again, but just give it some time. कभी ऐसा होता है कि जहाँ हमने सोचा था कि यहाँ पे फिर नहीं आएंगे, मतलब you were ready to say goodbye to that place, but जो दूसरी जगह जाना था वहाँ जाने का हो नहीं पाया. That's why you went back to the place you thought you'd have to leave, but it's okay. I mean, जहाँ जाना था वो obviously वो चीज़ exciting थी, वो जगह exciting थी, तुमने बहुत कुछ सोचा होगा. It's okay अगर नहीं वर्कआउट हुआ तो. जहाँ पे हो वहाँ पे कोई नई चीज़ें ढूंढो, नई जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिल रही है, क्योंकि जो हो नहीं पाया उसे तो चेंज कर नहीं सकते. तो अब जो है उसमें भी कुछ तो ढूंढना पड़ेगा. So yeah, it's important to just have some patience, because everything gets better with time and you'll work it out. Right now I'm preparing for dinner, and I wanted to tell you guys another thing that I learned, because this whole video is about that only. Sometimes you may feel like a failure, but it's very important to know that at least you tried. So trust me, if you feel like a failure, you're not. You don't need others' validation for what you are doing in life. Just do what you love. If you're doing what you love, you're successful. That's it. You just need to be happy in your life. There will be places and things which will force you to focus on spirituality, and it is very important that you do it, because spirituality helps you understand yourself, and that is the biggest character of your life. And it gets so tough to handle life and all the things in life if you don't know yourself, and spirituality helps you a lot. And because it can also teach you to control this, and if you can, even if a little bit, sometimes it's very hard to literally take all the control of your mind, but अगर कभी थोड़ा बहुत भी कंट्रोल आ जाता है माइंड पे, तो इट्स वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड इट्स वेरी हेल्पिंग, ट्रस्ट मी गाइज. सो गाइज, ये जो आप वीडियो अभी देख रहे हो, it's just because there was a moment a month ago where I was just sitting and I was very confused, but I just decided to just get up and do it. And there will be a lot of times where you want to try something new, where you have even decided to start something, but something in you just, it will just make you stop, like सच्ची करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए, ख्याल आते रहेंगे दिमाग में ये वो, but just get up and do it. Waiting will just bring more confusions, and trust me, I have experienced this a lot of times. मतलब मैंने इतनी सारी चीज़ें मेरे पास में मैंने जाने दी है just because मैं सोचती रह गई. और ये चीज़ जो थी YouTube चालू करना, ये मेरे दिमाग में काफ़ी टाइम से था. और उस दिन भी जब मैंने फर्स्ट वीडियो रिकॉर्ड किया था, तब भी मैं बस बैठ के सोच रही थी कि बनाऊँ नहीं बनाऊँ, बनाऊँ नहीं बनाऊँ. बट आई वॉज लाइक जस्ट गेट अप एंड डू इट. बिकॉज ख्याल तो आते ही रहेंगे, डर तो लगता ही रहेगा, बट उठ के करने बैठोगे ना तो फिर इतना कुछ दिमाग में रहेगा नहीं. और जब ख़त्म हो जाएगा ना, तब इतना अच्छा लगेगा. यू विल बी थैंकफुल दैट यू डिड इट. सो वेन एवर यू वॉन्ट टू डू समथिंग, जस्ट गेट अप एंड डू इट. नथिंग एल्स. It's that simple. Start saying yes more often. Coming from the one who used to say no in everything. मतलब मैं पहले काफ़ी वैसी थी कि एकदम से ही कुछ नया अगर आए करने को या कोई नई अपॉर्चुनिटी हो, तो मैं हमेशा ना ही बोल देती थी. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. आई मीन, आई वाज स्कैर्ड आई गेस टू ट्राई. तो अरे
रहमान दक्कत की दी हुई मौत बड़ी कसाईनामा होती है.
yes sir. So he is my brother, Rahman Dakat. So yeah, we went to watch Dhurandhar yesterday, and trust me guys, you should too. So guys, currently I am just editing this video. So after I edit for some time, I am going to read this book for a while and then I'll go to sleep. This is the book I'm currently reading, which is The Art of Self-Therapy. It helps you grow and gain self-awareness and understand your emotions. Which brings me to my last learning of this year, which is very important and very close to me because it has changed me a little bit. At least I think so. If you think you have changed, you have. You don't need others' validation that yes, you have changed. You don't want to hear that. If you think you have. The last learning is give yourself time, priority, and find inner peace in the ways that you like, because inner peace is the most important thing, because it keeps you going. I mean, अगर अंदर मन में शांति है तो अगर कभी कोई प्रेशर आ जाए या बहुत सारी चीज़ें एक साथ हो जाती है, इफ़ यू आर आई मीन अगर अंदर से मन शांत है तो you'll just be calm and you'll figure out how to do all the things. So it's very important. Also guys, prioritizing yourself is the most important and most needed thing for you. You don't know, but it's very much needed. अगर कभी अकेले भी पड़ गए, you'll be fine. मतलब इतना वो तुम्हारे दिमाग पे नहीं चढ़ जाएगा कि मैं अकेली हूँ, मैं अकेली कैसे करूँगी, ये कैसे करूँगी, वो कैसे करूँगी. इट डजेंट मैटर. मतलब तुम लोगों की कंपनी एंजॉय कर रहे हो तो खुद की भी कंपनी एंजॉय करो. इम्पॉर्टेंट. हर एक चीज़ में, हर एक जगह, हर एक वक्त कोई साथ हो ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है. और अगर कोई ना हो तो वो चीज़ तुम ना करो, दैट्स रॉन्ग. अगर वो चीज़ तुम्हें करनी है और कोई तुम्हारे साथ नहीं है, यू डू इट अलोन. इट्स ओके. गिविंग योर सेल्फ टाइम इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज तुम अगर खुद को ही टाइम नहीं दे पाओगे तो तुम दूसरी सारी चीज़ें जो तुम कर रहे हो उसे कैसे टाइम दे पाओगे, उसे कैसे एफर्टलेसली कर पाओगे. अभी भी जब भी मन करे बस बैठो शांति से. जस्ट you can listen to music, you can read books, you can journal, you can just go out for a walk, you can go on the terrace, watch sunset, sunrise, moon, stars, whatever you like. These are the things that I love. You can spend time with your loved ones. What else do you need? I mean, this thing is really, I mean, stuck with me. It's just give time to yourself, give yourself priority, and most important thing, find your inner peace in life in any ways that you like. So guys, that is it for this video. I hope you liked it, I hope you learned something from it, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys.